Okay, hello guys. Today we are going to solve another problem with LeetCode. Okay, so if you like my video or if you like uh, my content or you want to learn AI or Python or DSA, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so here I'm just going to share my screen with you. I hope it is it visible to you? Okay, so I'm just explaining you this question with you. Okay, guys. So here you can see. Okay, swap node and pairs. Okay, new recursion linked list problem. Okay, so problem goal is we need to swap every two nodes. Okay, example I have one after one next two and next element three and next element is four. Okay, so here output should be two. Okay, and one, four and three. So we just need to swap every two nodes. Okay, after one, sorry, I just swap 2 with 1. Okay, 2 with 1 and 3 with 4. Okay, so 4 is here and 3 is here in last. Okay, so we are not allowed to change the value inside the node. We can only change the pointer to point to whom. Okay, so who point to whom. Okay, so here this is the dry run. We just take linked list equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and comma 4. Okay, so we will see how recursion work step by step. Okay, so first call function call swap the pair 1 with 2 and 3 with 4. Okay, so here our first these are the steps. Okay, first equals to 1. Okay, this is our first node. Okay, and second equals to, this is the variable 2, second equals to 2 and this is the second node. Okay, at 1 we have first node here. Okay, and here 2 we have second node. Okay, so swap plan 1 and 2 next recursion call swap pair 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm just swapping 1 and 2. Okay, so here 1 dot next. Okay, and swap pair after 1 and 2 3 and 4. Okay, so here 1 dot next equals to swap pair 3 and 4. Okay, and 2 dot next equals to 1 and return 2 here. 2 dot next equals to 1 and return 2 here. Okay, so we will hold until recursion finish for the rest. Okay, so here 1 dot next. Okay, and 2 dot next equals to 1 and return 2. 1 dot next and 2 dot next equals to 1. So you can understand here. First here again I'm just going for second call. Okay, so here first equals to 3 and second equals to 4. Okay, I'm just working with these pair 3 and 4. First equals to 3 and 4 equals to second. So here 3 equals to first node and second 4 equals to second node. Okay, we just doing swap element. I'm just trying to swap 3 with 4. Okay, so next recursion call swap pair none. After this we don't have any pair. Okay, so end of so we can do like we will do end our list. Okay, so here 3 dot next equals to swap pair none. Okay, and 4 dot next equals to 3 and return 4. Okay, 3 dot next equals to swap pair none and 4 dot next equals to 3. We are just going to swap 1 dot next equals to swap pair and 2 dot next swap with 1 and return 2. Here also 3 dot next equals to swap pair, so we don't have any pair here. Okay, and 4 dot next we just swap 4 with 3. Okay, and return 4. So we got 4, 10, 4 and 4 here, 4 swap with 3 and swap 3 with swap, and here again none. Or here you can see we hold until recursion finish for the rest. Okay, so here this is our final 4, 4 swap with 3 and 3 will swap with 4. Okay, so now third call, base call, function call swap pair none. Okay, we don't have any pair. Since list is empty, just return none. And swap 4 unwinding the recursion. Okay, so here level 3 we have written list none. Okay, and 4 swipe with 3, so here none, I already done this. Okay, and here I'm just swipe one. I'm just writing here two nest. I mean two swipe with one and one swipe with uh, two. Okay, so here we got two one. Okay, two swipe with one and one swipe with two, and here four swipe with three and three swipe with three. Four swipe with three and three swipe with four. Okay, so here I after this we have none. So we got four, one, and four, three. Okay, so this is the list. Output should be two, one, four, and three. Two nest element four, one, and nest four, and nest three. Okay, so visual summary. Swap pair equals to one, nest two, nest three, and nest four. Swap pair one, comma two. So after this, swap pair recursive call, and swap pair three and four. So it will become two, one, four, three. Swap pair 3 and 4. So here swap pair is none. Here we got in place of 3 we got 4, and in place of 4 we got 3. Okay, swap pair none, and here return list is none. So here you can see class equals to linked list. Okay, so self dot value equals to value. Okay, so we have value, these are the values 1 2 3 4. Okay, and self dot next means, okay, self dot these are the values 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and self dot next means, okay, so here if we have uh, 1 and next of 1 is 2. Okay, next of 2 is 3. Okay, so that's we calculate self dot next equals to next. Okay, so here this is the class, and this is the class for share pair, sorry, swipe pair, and here this is for these are the arguments self head. Okay, head means first element from the list. Okay, head equals to linked list node. Okay, and here output should be in linked list node. Okay, so base call if there are 0 or 1 nodes, nothing to swipe. Okay, so if not head or not head dot nodes, it's mean your linked list is empty and it does not have any head or head dot next, then it will return head. Okay, if not head or not head dot next, return head. Okay, so node to be swipe first node with, I mean first node equals to head. Okay, this is our first node 1, this is a head. Okay, and second equals to head dot next. Okay, so next to the head it's called a second. Okay, so head to the next element 2. Okay, so this is called a second. We just write here this is 1 and this is 2. Next to the 1, this is called a 2. Okay, now I'm just swipe the element first dot next. Okay, so here you can see first I already write here 1 dot next. Okay, first dot next we have 1 in uh, in first place we have 1. Okay, so first equals to 1, here next. Okay, now swipe pair equals to second dot next, that is 3 4. After this, we just swap 3 and 4. We swap 4 and 3 and 3 or 4, whatever. Okay. Swap current two nodes. Okay. So here second equals to, sorry. Okay. Second dot next equals to first. Okay. So here I swapped 1. Okay. And here again I'm just swiping second element. Okay. That is second equals to 2 and next equals to 2 dot next equals to first element. Okay. So I got 1 here in place of second dot next. Okay, second dot next I got 1, and first dot next I got this. Okay, and return new head. Okay, so this is our new head, return second, so it will come at our head. So head equals to first element. Okay, so we got 2 at first element here, and at in place of 2 I have 1 here. Okay, you can also check with 3 and 4. So first equals to 3 and second equals to 4 here. Okay, and you can write and check here, 3 dot next equals to swap pair. Okay, so we don't have any another number, so I just need to pass here none. Okay, and again you can calculate this. Okay, so here our second element is again 4. So 4 dot next equals to first means 3. Our first element is 3. Okay, and after this I just need to return second element, that is 4. Okay, I hope you got it. And if you want to run this, so you can use linked list properly and you can run this code, and you just need to write the code for print, that you can print your whole like linked list. Okay, or swap pair by using linked list. Hi Geeta.